Now procedure to remove the ribbon. Power off the printer, button on your right, lift the top cover, proceed to the level or the lever on your right hand side, press it to release the print head mechanism. Hold on to the ribbon guide which is on your left. To the ribbon guide on your left, hold it and just push it downwards. Okay, the left hook will be unlocked and then followed by the right. So now it shows the ribbon guide is already detached from the print head. Hold the center of the ribbon cartridge, lift up to release from its locking position, and you may pull it out easily.